That sign-in book at your reception? Every visitor reads the previous visitor's name and number. That is a privacy breach on paper. Green Book replaces it with one QR sticker. Paper logbooks fail every day. Names and numbers exposed under GDPR and UAE privacy law. Illegible entries you can never follow up. Queues at the desk. And one coffee spill destroys months of records. The whole system is one QR sticker on your door or lectern. Visitors scan with their own phone camera. No app to install. The sign-in opens instantly in their language. Here is the flow. The visitor scans, fills the branded form on their own phone, and the host gets pinged on WhatsApp before the visitor even sits down. A digital pass follows. The host sees the visitor's name, photo, and purpose, plus 3 tap replies. Greet, delay 10 minutes, or decline. Khalid taps greet and heads down. No reception phone call needed. Sarah gets a digital pass in Apple or Google Wallet. When she visits next week, she scans the pass instead of re-signing. Repeat contractors never fill the form twice. Every sign-in lands in the Remarketly CRM as a contact. Tag Sarah as investor, supplier, or VIP and follow up later. Something a line in a paper book can never do. Speed matters at the front desk. Paper takes over 30 seconds per visitor and queues form at peak hour. Green Book averages 18 seconds on the visitor's own phone. Every record is end-to-end encrypted and invisible to the next visitor. Personal data auto-redacts after your retention window. And audit exports, CSV or signed PDF are one click for ISO or UAE Data Office requests. When the fire marshal asks who is inside, you tap evacuation and hand over a live PDF every visitor on site, mobile numbers included, plus peak hour footfall and most visited hosts. The numbers, 18 seconds average sign-in, 0 personal data visible to the next visitor, 100% audit trail coverage, and a 200-staff office saves about 14 reams of paper a year. Setup is 3 minutes, not 3 weeks. Sign up and name your venue. We render a brand-matched QR poster. Print it on the office printer, stick it, and your first visitor scans in. Green Book is free for one location, forever. Print the QR this morning, watch your first paperless sign-in this afternoon. Start at remarketly.io and follow for the next pillar.